guys, welcome to my channel. So today I've got a new video for you and I'm going to be talking about hair. Now this is going to be a little bit funny because for people that know me, I actually don't wear wigs a lot. In fact, I barely wear them, like almost. I actually don't wear them, let's be honest. I used to wear them back when I was in uni, and I'll wear like some few long ones. I've done a little bit of colored ones, but I never really liked them because I always felt like they just look very wig-like on my head. I just never liked wigs. I just thought they were just really funny. And I am very sure that everybody likes the wigs and all that. And it's very popular amongst a lot of, especially girls of ethnicity. Now, the one thing I would say is that sometimes I'll be looking at some of these wigs and I'm thinking, you're looking nice. And I do want to join the gang. And this is why I've kind of taken time recently to kind of like start putting on wigs. Well, more than putting on wigs, like learning a little bit more about them. I don't know much, to be honest. I'm not very expert when it comes to wigs, but I have worn a few and I have looked quite nice, I must say, with it. So, you know, I'm open to it. So today's wig, the one I'm going to be talking about, is from Hiddentresses. I've had a wig from them before. It was really good. In fact, I've had the same wig that I'm about to show you, except for that was a lace frontal. Lace frontal? I'm not too sure. But, and it was like, it was nice, it was good, it looked really realistic. Like, I was happy with it. It was so beautiful. But like maintenance, I didn't know how to uphold it. Like, I tried and I tried, it just wasn't happening. And then I did something really shameful, like really shameful, and I'm really like ashamed to admit this. I burnt the lace frontal, like the front bit. Oh my god! I don't know what I was trying to achieve, but all I know is that it literally started tearing apart, and I was so angry with myself because obviously these wigs are not cheap, they're quite expensive. So I was like, oh my god, how did I do this? And that was like back in 2016, so that's the last wig I bought, and it's from the same company. But I do have like my friends who allow me to kind of wear the wigs and try them out, so I know that I like them. I just don't know how to maintain them as well. But you know, I decided to do a fresh video today, like literally me wearing this new wig, opening the box, and you'll see how I'm gonna try. I did ask for a closure because I know that I'm still not ready for the frontal, the lace frontal. I do not glue my edges. I don't like gluing like anything around my head. I'm a bit conscious of the fact that my edges are already like really thin, and that's only just because of like back in the days, like people have really dealt with my hair in a really poor way, and I don't know, ever since then I just never been able to grow them back. But I'm trying to find new products, and I will get back to you in regards to that. But today let's try and put on this wig and look nice putting on. That's all I want. I want to look cute. Okay, so first of all, I received a box like this in the mail from Hiddentresses, and I'm gonna open it up. So this is like me opening up for the first time. I don't know what to expect. Okay, so as soon as you open it up, it comes like this, and it comes with a complimentary card to contact them, and then also it comes with a wig cap as well, so that's good. I mean, I had one, I borrowed this from my mom. So like I said, I don't wear wigs. I'm a braids girl. I'm braids. Always been a braids girl. I just wear braids. That's my comfortable me. Like, that's what I like. But I need to get out of my comfort zone and actually try some new stuff, and this is me. This is me doing it. This is me doing it. Alright, so let me get it out. Let me get it out. Ooh, I'm so excited. So I got a bob, and and it's called the Steffy. I know. No, it's good. It's named after me. Oh my god, I think she did. I think this is actually a lace. Oh, she still did a lace for me. Okay, okay. I'm scared. I'm gonna need the help like with this wig. I can tell, like friends, because I got lots of friends, and all of you wear wigs. You're gonna help me with this. You're gonna have to help me. So this is how it looks like, honey. I'm not gonna lie, the hair itself is actually really beautiful. Oh, it's so soft, it's very bouncy. I love the cut, cause I'm not like long hair right now. For a newbie like me, I don't think so. I wanna look cute, okay? So let's try this on. So first of all, I got it with, it comes with the band at the back. So it's already made, all done. I don't have to do too much. I wouldn't know what to do if I had to do something, so I'm glad. Thank you so much, Hiddentresses, for this. Okay, let's put it on. So I already got my wig cap on, you know, so let's do this. Whoa. Okay, so you put this thing here, right? I'm acting like I never put a wig on. I have put a wig on. I just don't know how to put it properly where it actually. No. Oh, it looks like it's coming out of my scalp. I'm gonna have to straighten this to kind of make it look right. Yo, this is the wig, y'all. This is the wig. And it's a short bob. Look at it, guys. Look at it. Already done. Like, look at it. It looks like it's my actual hair. So I don't know if this, I hope I'm calling these things right, like frontal lace, you know. But and it fits perfectly on my head as well. Perfect. It's so soft. Like, look at.
Look at this.
Look at.
Somebody come look at this.
Are you seeing that? It's so bouncy. So bouncy. I'm gonna need help from friends, I ain't gonna lie. I will wear this and then take pictures. Y'all can check my Instagram, and I'll be putting some pictures out where I'm gonna be looking like real sexy, you know. So I just really need to fix the wig like in the front, but I'm not good at this. So I got my straighteners. There are Amica straighteners. This feels so hot. I've not had anything like this hot near my head in a long time. I just don't want to burn it again. Nah. I'm looking like a 90s baby. Hey. So I'm obsessed with the 90s, by the way. Like when it comes to fashion, looks, everything. I mean, I also think that Tupac is my soulmate. Like I'm obsessed with the 90s. And I always feel like I was born in the wrong generation. In the sense, like I feel like I should have been like in my mid-20s in the 90s, or at least like in my teens in the 90s. You know, we live and we learn. Okay, so I don't know if I'm burning this too much because I'm scared now. And by the way, when I say I burnt my hair, I meant like I burnt this bit right here. It was so shameful, so I didn't tell nobody. It took me a while to even tell the person that made it for me that, honey, I burnt the wig. This is amazing. I'm loving it. It's so bouncy. I feel like an absolute princess. What y'all think? What do you think? What do you think? How do I look? Do I look good? This is the final look. This is how I'll be looking right now. I know I'm looking cute. Thank you. Like, obviously, I'm not a stylist, I'm not a hairstylist, I don't know how to style it very well. I'll get my friend to sort it out for me, and then I'll definitely show you what the final result is. But I definitely like this. I love this. It's beautiful. It fits my head very well. I feel like it's very easy to maintain because it's a short bob. Guys, you guys can get it from Hiddentresses. It's called the Steffy. I'll put all the links in the description on the description box down below. Oh my god, I got hair. I got hair. I'm just feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. You know what? I'm just cute. Period. period. And that's on everything. Whoa. Now I can't wait like to proper have it like looking like real correct and all, because I feel like maybe I need to do some more. And I always feel like that, but that's because I'm not an expert, guys. I'm not a wig expert. I don't wear wigs. But this is cute and I love it. So thank you so much, Hiddentresses, for hooking me up. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, subscribe, and then make sure you click on that notification button. And that's it, really. Haha.